Here's a question for you. Do corals eat? And if they eat, what do they eat? Well, I'll tell you. Corals eat one of two ways. This is how they gain their nutrients. Number one is through photosynthesis. That's why every reef tank needs to have a good quality light, full spectrum. But basically, there's algae that lives in their cells called zooxanthellae. That zooxanthellae takes the light, then it can convert carbons into sugars and different amino acids, and that's what feeds the coral. And based on what type of zooxanthellae is living in the coral determines most likely what the color of that coral is going to be. The other way is that they filter feed or they actively hunt. And I'll show you. The first coral we're going to feed is this little bubble tip anemone over here. So bubble tip anemones use their little tentacles. They have stinging cells called nematocysts, and when a prey item swims by and gets caught by one of those tentacles, they get stung, they get paralyzed, and then the anemone will work on bringing that food towards its mouth. See, he's pulling that food straight into its mouth. His stomach area is called the mesoglea. So that food's actually going to get pulled into his stomach, his mesoglea. He's going to digest it. He's going to pull all the nutrients he wants from it, and everything else is going to get regurgitated back into the water column. Alright, we're going to try this coral because this one has the best angle where you can see him taking the food. Anyway, that's a quick little recap how corals eat their food. This is Nelson with Creekwood Aquatics. I'll see you soon.